What is attribution and why is it important to know about it? It is a way to decide what channels and pages are generating the best return on investment. In this video, we are going to be discussing about a complicated yet challenging tool inside Google Analytics, attribution. To learn about attribution, you need to know about conversions in Google Analytics. What is a conversion? A conversion is any completed activity that is important to the success of your business. A conversion can be online as well as offline. A conversion can be anything from a user purchasing a product from your website, which is usually known as a macro conversion, to a user signing up for the email newsletter, typically known as a micro conversion. Now, what is attribution and how does it link with conversion? Simply put, attribution allows you to decide who gets the blame or the credit for a conversion. For example, if you decide to post a tweet on your company's Twitter account and it leads to a customer buying a product from your website, the conversion can be attributed to the tweet. However, it's not as simple as that, as the user may perform several activities or visit different touchpoints along the way, known as the conversion path. Maybe the tweet only took the user to the website, but then they left the website and came back a week later from an ad on Google and made the purchase. How do you decide what to assign credit to, and how do you decide how much credit it gets? This is where attribution modeling comes in. It allows you to track what is driving users on your website to complete an activity that contributes to the success of your business. Google uses a simple attribution model called last non-direct click model. This means the conversion is attributed to the very last source of traffic that a user used to visit the website. The only exception is when the user came in directly, in which case it is attributed to the source prior to direct. And if no source is found, it is attributed to direct. This system is known as attribution modeling, which allows you to pinpoint the activity that is driving up your business most efficiently and effectively. When a user completes an activity, they may be influenced by several campaigns along the whole funnel they pass through. An attribution model decides how much credit each activity gets along the way. There are several attribution models in place today, from a last interaction model that gives all the credit to the last touchpoint leading to the conversion, to a first click model that gives the most credit to the first touchpoint, that is, the tweet in this case. You can also create your own custom attribution models. We will cover attribution models in detail in our next video.